sponsor, would like to ask our queens and kings to say thank you, Citadines Millennium Ortigas, to the camera. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, very regal. Walang kasi queens. Context lang po, kanina po kasi may Q&A yung Mr. Philippines Worldwide. Miss Chelsea, he wants to work with you as a celebrity. Ayusin niyo natin yung screen, okay? As a celebrity. Ako man, mamamukang project movie. Ayun kayo, thriller nga lang.
She's working in Qatar and she went home just to watch.
Alright, so before we take some photos, meron tayong activities sa ating mga queens. Kung may Q&A sa pageant, meron ding performance. So we will be asking them to dance Mabuhay. Okay, ready ba tayo doon, media? Yes! Okay, maestro! For our beautiful flowers, for our beautiful queens. Beautiful queens inside and out. May pinaplano yung boys na placement. Bakit ganun? Grabe. May corona na. May pagmamahal pa na naman.
Chelsea.
Okay, so of course, because Citadines Millennium is our official venue sponsor, we'd like to ask our queens and kings to say thank you, Citadines Millennium Ortigas, to the camera. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Thank you, Citadines Millennium Ortigas.
Okay, very regal. Walang